ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 84 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ತವ ಖಲು ದಯಿತಾ ಜನೈಃ ಸಮೇತಾ ದ್ರುಪದಸುತಾ ತ್ವಯಿ ಗಾಢಭಕ್ತಿಭಾರಾ ತದುದಿತ ಭವದಾಹೃತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರೈಃ ಅತಿಮುಮುದೆ ಸಮಮನ್ಯ ಭಾಮಿನೀಭಿಃ. Word by word meaning. Twayi, Gadha Bhakti Bhara, who was very much devoted to thee. Drupada Suta Khalu, Draupadi. Tava Dayita Janaihi Sameta, mixing with thy wives. Tadudita Bhavada Hriti Prakaraihi, Tadudita, told by them. Bhavada Hriti Prakaraihi, thy methods of carrying them away. Anya Bhamini Bihi, Samam, along with other women. Ati Mumude, was very much delighted. Full meaning. Draupadi, who was very much devoted to thee, mixed freely with thy wives and along with other women. She heard with great delight their narration of how each of them was carried away by thee. Om Tat Sat.